Cardboard cartons might seem like a one-and-done packaging solution, but hold on before you flatten and toss them into the recycle bin. These versatile boxes can serve a range of surprising and practical purposes. Here are 7 of the most valuable ways to upcycle cardboard cartons that are worth trying. Number 1. Drawer organizers. Got a messy drawer full of socks, ties, or office supplies? Cut up small cardboard cartons to fit inside your drawer and create simple, customizable compartments. You'll be amazed at how a few carefully placed sections can turn chaos into order. If you're feeling creative, line them with decorative paper or fabric for a touch of flair. Number 2, plant starter pots. Why spend money on store-bought plant starters when your old cartons can do the trick? Simply cut off the top, poke a few drainage holes in the bottom, fill with soil, and plant your seeds. When your seedlings are ready to move outside, you can plant the whole carton in the ground. Cardboard is biodegradable, making it a great eco-friendly choice. Number 3, cord and cable organizer. Sick of tangled cables cluttering your space? Cut small cartons into sections and use them to store your cords neatly. Each cable gets its own little compartment. No more wasting time untangling knots. For extra convenience, label each section so you can quickly find the right cord when you need it. Number 4, desktop charging station. Take a shoebox-sized carton, cut out a few holes for your charging cables, and you've got yourself a tidy, do-it-yourself charging station. Stash your phones, tablets, or other devices inside while they power up. It's a quick, budget-friendly way to eliminate desktop clutter and keep your electronics organized. Number 5, bird feeder. Want to bring some feathered friends to your yard? Cut out a rectangular opening on each side of a small curtain, leaving the bottom intact to hold birdseed. Poke a stick through to create a perch. Hang it up and watch the birds flock to your new feeder. It's an easy way to recycle while enjoying some backyard bird watching. Number 6, pet toys and hideaways. Cats and small pets love exploring boxes. Turn those cartons into cozy hideaways, obstacle courses, or interactive toys by cutting a few holes and then adding some playful elements like string or small balls. Your furry friends will appreciate the effort, and you'll get a kick out of watching them explore their new digs. Number 7, gift box hack. Forget buying overpriced gift boxes. Instead, grab a small cardboard carton, cut off the top flaps, and decorate it with wrapping paper, paint, or even some fabric scraps. Fill it with tissue paper, add your gift, and tie it up with a ribbon. It's a quick, easy, and personal touch that will make your gift stand out from the crowd. Final thoughts. Cardboard cartons are far from being just throwaway items. With a little creativity, they can become anything from home organizers to garden starters, making your life a bit more organized and eco-friendly. Stay safe, stay secure, and the next time you're about to toss that carton, think twice. You might just have your next do-it-yourself project on your hands. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.